Is closing the toilet lid before flushing hygienic? The common advice to close the toilet lid before flushing often appears on signs in bathrooms, but is it really beneficial for hygiene? A recent study has taken a closer look at this question by visualizing the droplets and aerosols generated when flushing a toilet and measuring the spread of potential viruses in the air. Here is an in-depth look at the study's findings and what they mean for everyday toilet hygiene. Experimental setup: visualizing droplet spread. The experiment was conducted in a lab setting where a cubicle resembling a private toilet space was created. This toilet used was a common water-saving model, using about 6 liters per flush. To capture and analyze the behavior of droplets and aerosols when flushing, the researchers used a particle counter and laser scattering to track particle movement. Key observations: droplet behavior without the lid closed. When the toilet was flushed with the lid open, large droplets were observed to follow a parabolic path, quickly falling back down. Smaller aerosol particles, however, remained suspended in the air for extended periods, sometimes for several minutes. The force of flushing propelled some droplets to heights of 40 to 50 centimeters, allowing aerosols to spread throughout the cubicle space. Effect of closing the toilet lid. When the researchers repeated the experiment with the toilet lid closed, they observed a noticeable difference in aerosol behavior. Aerosol containment. Closing the lid effectively prevented the larger droplets and aerosols from dispersing upward, reducing their spread throughout the room. However, a small amount of aerosol particles still managed to seep out through the gaps between the seat and the bowl, spreading forward to a distance of around 15 centimeters. This was attributed to air being pushed out of the bowl due to water flow pressure. Best practices. To minimize exposure to aerosols, it is recommended to stand back at least 15 centimeters from the toilet when flushing with the lid closed. Hygiene recommendations for cleaning. To further evaluate hygiene, the study examined the dispersion of particles within the toilet cubicle after flushing with the lid closed. Results showed that about 1/3 of the liquid sprayed during flushing landed on the underside of the toilet seat. Roughly 1/6 of particles were found on the top of the seat. Another third was detected on the walls surrounding the toilet bowl. Cleaning tip: regular cleaning of not only the seat and lid, but also nearby walls is recommended to prevent the buildup of residue that may contain viral or bacterial particles. Future improvements in toilet design. The study suggests that innovations in flushing technology could improve both water efficiency and hygiene. Future toilets could feature design improvements that minimize aerosol spread and enhance sanitation, especially beneficial in public spaces or during illness outbreaks. Conclusion: closing the toilet lid before flushing can significantly reduce the upward spread of aerosols, making it a more hygienic choice. However, particles can still spread to a limited extent, so maintaining distance when flushing and regularly cleaning surrounding surfaces are additional ways to improve bathroom hygiene. This research supports the idea that closing the lid is indeed a beneficial practice, especially for reducing exposure to potential pathogens and maintaining a cleaner environment in shared bathroom spaces.
Thanks for watching. Like, comments and share.